every act of kindness sparks a chain reaction.
Mas may impact siya kung nag-focus na lang siya dun sa animal welfare. Palagi siyang dapat clear and focused and sharp. Hi guys! And welcome back to our channel. My name is Janine.
And Nari!
For today's vlog ay papanoorin natin ang Beauty with a Purpose and presentation ng isa sa mga delegates for the upcoming Miss World Philippines 2024, and it's going to be Miss Baguio. That's Krishna Gravides. Meron naman tayong tanong na actually related kasi ito sa kanyang advocacy. How much do you care about the animals?
Ako, dati siguro less. Pero ngayon, syempre, nagkaroon na tayo ng maraming anak na pusa, ganyan.
Ako rin, like ngayon, sobrang mahal ko na yung mga animals. Without any further ado, let's watch this.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm Krishna Gravides from Baguio City. My Beauty with a Purpose is colored World with Kindness. Now, you might be wondering why I called it Color the World with Kindness. It started back in August 2022 when I donated 45 sets of crayons to the children of Barangay Happy Hollow community in Baguio City. That's why I call it Color the World with Kindness, as a tribute to that initiative. So Color the World with Kindness is established to encourage the young people to pay forward the kindness that they receive, just like how I'm also paying it forward through arts, self-expression, and environmental stewardship. The goal of this campaign is to create a future where every child has a chance to strive, where every act of kindness sparks a chain reaction, and every small step leads to monumental change. So I'm hoping that you'll see the hard work, the sincerity, the genuineness, and how dear this campaign is to my heart. So thank you so much for the opportunity.
Naimbag na Alda. I'm Krishna Gravides, founder of Color the World with Kindness, a youth empowerment program dedicated to making a difference through art, kindness, and environmental stewardship. Growing up in poverty, I had to take on adult responsibilities early, often missing out on the joys of childhood.
So bata pa lang ako, na-discover ko na yung pagiging business-minded, hindi dahil gusto ko, dahil sa kahirapan, dahil kailangan kong gawin. Hindi ko na mabilang kung ilang bahay yung tinirahan namin kasi hindi namin masustain yung renta. So kailangan namin na lumipat ang bahay. Minsan wala yung landlord ko. Ako yung sisingilin nung yung landlord. Bata pa lang ako doon. So hindi ko alam sasabihin ko doon sa landlord.
Yung mga kwento lang na yung bata sinigil.
And continued my education, a path not always available to others in similar situations.
I'm deciding to parang mag-stop na sa pag-aaral kasi yun nga, wala na kaming pera and wala na akong pang-continue sa pag-aaral ko.
Lumaki akong walang tatay. Naranasan ko po maging homeless, laman ng kalye yung buhay ko. Lagi po akong nasa awayan, tambayan. Walang gumagabay sa akin ng mga ganun.
To combat this disenchantment, we aim to unlock the potential in children from marginalized communities through acts of kindness, arts, and self-expression. Kindness is our core value, and growing up, I experienced acts of kindness that made a significant difference in my life. I believe that it has the power to create a more compassionate society, and establishing Color the World with Kindness was a way for me to pay it forward. We began with a simple gesture, providing art materials to children in the Happy Hollow community. And today, we have a team of dedicated youth volunteers encouraging and motivating young people to pursue their passions and aspirations. One area we are strengthening is animal welfare. To bolster this initiative, we have partnered with Biaya Animal Care.
Animals can teach us a lot of things, mostly kindness. They are unconditional with their love. When you are able to be kind even in the most difficult circumstances. And this is what the youth can learn from animals. They're just kind because they love.
Empowering the next generation to protect our environment is crucial. We partner with local government units to organize and encourage youth to take tangible actions from tree planting to cleanups. In our fast-paced, technology-driven world, teaching kindness is more important than ever. As we become more digitally connected, We sometimes lose touch with simple, human acts of kindness that bind us together. Color the World with Kindness continues to collaborate with nonprofits to create safe spaces where creativity meets opportunity. Our goal is not just to build a physical facility, but to strengthen partnerships and offer internship programs inclined towards the arts and vocational courses relevant to today's workforce demands and emerging industries, so the next generation can freely pursue their own passions and make the ripple effect as wide as the world. Let's color the world with kindness, one act at a time.
Nakita ko naman yung sincerity ni Krishna sa kanyang Beauty with a Purpose. Pero project. Kaso medyo nakukulangan lang ako sa yung unang part, yung Color the World with Kindness. It's as if, kung papanoorin ko lang yung sa video, for me, naiintindihan ko yung judges siguro kung bakit hindi siya nakasama sa top 10. Kasi para lang siyang nag-outreach program yung dating. Tinry niyang gumawa ng sarili niya, yung personal niya na sa kanya na parang foundation, kumbaga, or charity group, parang ganyan. Mas may impact siya kung nag-focus na lang siya dun sa animal welfare. Okay lang naman yun na parang mag-a-adapt ka lang ng organization, ganyan, or group na susuportahan mo yung advocacy, parang ganon. Mahirap kasi talaga mag-build ng sarili mong foundation, lalong-lalo na kung kapos or kung hindi enough yung resources mo, which is makikita dun sa video na parang recently lang siya ginawa, which is na-mention naman niya na nag-start siya noong 2022. Kaya hindi siya ganun ka ganun ka impactful sa mga judges, kaya hindi siya nakapasok sa top 10.
In the perspective of project, charity, kumbaga, in order for it to be more impactful is that dapat it's sustainable. Palagi siyang dapat clear and focused and sharp. My goal, dapat solid siya, alam mo kung ano yung mga gagawin, yung mga steps, ganyan. Yun lang siguro yung kulang doon sa yung motivation niya, tsaka yung kumbaga yung perseverance niya para makatulong, yung acts of kindness. Wala tayong question doon. It's good for the community. Pero if you shape it into a more clearer focus siguro, mas maganda pa siya.
Broad
broad siya.
Kindness lang
tipo,
ipapakita mo.
para siyang campaign ng isang malaking company. Kaya parang gano'n.
Parang it's a part of CSR,
CSR.
corporate social responsibility, parang ganun. So yun na guys, and thank you so much at sinamahan niyo naman kami sa nagdaang video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If bago kayo sa ating channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell para updated kayo sa ating mga next uploads.
And guys, thank you so much for watching our videos. We have a lot of videos done and we have a lot of videos coming. So keep watching us in the next video. Bye!